What is your full name?
Angel Agnes Smith.
What does sexy mean to you?
Me. Period. That's it. Sexy is me. That's what it means to
All
me.
right. How old were you when you had your first boyfriend?
I was 19.
Would you rather meet the love of your life now or win $1 million?
Who love earth? I cover my nose with the blood of Jesus. If I smell love, I disappear. 1 million naira. That is the love of my life. I don't. Yes, 1 million. Thank you very much.
All right. Mention 7 words that rhyme with tantrum.
Hey, go to tantrum. Quantum. Phantom. Conundrum. God, I'm not the correct day for hours for English show. Drum. Eardrum. How many words have I done now?
5.
How many more to get?
2 more.
2. This portion. Rhyme. Yikes. Freedom.
All right. So this is a tongue twister.
Yeah.
You say it 4 times very fast.
Okay.
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Which wristwatches are Swiss Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Which wristwatches are Swiss? Which wristwatches are Swiss? I can't do it.
Describe cross with 1 word.
Funny.
Kiss, smash, and marry.
I know someone go ask me this one.
Yusuf, Cross, and Sammy.
Kiss, smash,
Marry. Yusuf, Cross, and Sammy.
kiss Sammy, smash Yusuf, marry Cross.
How many tattoos do you have?
11 girlies.
So this next game is a song association game.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll give you some words.
Okay.
I'm expected to give me Nigerian songs that have those words in them.
All right.
Fine.
Fine girl from New York City. I don't know the rest.
Type.
Type?
Yes.
I do not know that.
Person.
The person. I don't know.
Which BB Niger housemates would you like to go on a vacation with and why?
Cross. Why? Because he'll be fun. You know, we always bring the vibe, so definitely him. But you know, it'll be fun. Maybe if it won't happen self, we won't vlog about it, but people have to pay us for the content.
Tell us 3 things you love about Bailey's Delight.
Let me just drink it. I definitely have a sweet tooth, and it's sweet, so beautiful as hell. Also, it would take you to your destination because let's be honest, most alcoholic drinks are kind of, you know, hard. But this, you know, you're in a nice, sweet way, and I like the smoothness of it, so definitely.
Where would you like to chill with some bottles of Bailey's Delight?
I would like to chill in Mauritius. I've always wanted to go there, and you know, I like the whole vibe there. I remember, you know, when I was younger, yeah, my granny used to drink a lot of Baileys. I would not sleep in the middle of the night like this because it was sweet. I would not put smoking go and I'll be drinking it. So yeah, Mauritius, definitely a nice vibe for Baileys.
When you were done stealing, did you ever mix it with water?
No, I'll just take small in the cup, drink it, and then every time she'll be like, "This thing is reduced, you know. We're drinking it in this house with me," and nobody ever suspected me because you know, smart girl. But
What message do you have for your fans?
honestly, yeah, it's just keep up the good work. Let's be positive because your girl is positive, and you know, hot girls, we don't fight, we don't argue, we just look pretty, you know, keep it classy. So thank you guys for rooting for me. Honestly, the love has been overwhelming, and I will like people are wild, but I do on a back boost. So I'm looking forward to meeting majority of you guys. I know I can't meet everybody because you know, with this new lifestyle, it's a lot. But I'll try my best in engaging when I can and keeping you know, active. I don't want to be the celebrity that is, oh my god, I'm a celebrity, let me. Ugh. I actually want to be relatable, so I'm looking forward to, you know, just vibing with you guys, my archangels. Real Hot Girl, she reporting for